So, just for those that do not want a coating on the inside, it is not stainless. There is a coating. So, the lid, no coating. Would have been nice if the interior had it like it said solid stainless. Nowhere could I find anywhere on the description that it says that it has a coating. The bottom, not coated, but for some reason, very clearly a coating. And guess what? It does come off easily. So right here it's starting to come off. See that? That's going to be going in your water. So just thought you guys should know.
I am recording my new teapot kettle that I got from Amazon. It's in a red, even though my kitchen is kind of like a rusty orange red. Other things that I've also gotten from Amazon, but as you see, the steam is coming out and it whistles just fine. It's a very beautiful color. I've had this now for about a month, and as you see, it works just fine.